talk slick, talk shit, they talk quick. All that shit is bullshit because it's fucking toxic. I'm shocking people with new facts like my name is Raiden. Cooking up the soul with ruler, why ain't no apron. Yeah, check it, it's about to change. Do it with some soul and a little love change. Yeah, it's about the love change. Do it with some soul and a little love change. You can't make a change unless you got the love change. Do it with some soul and a little love change. You can't make a change unless you got some love change. Do it with some soul and a little love change. I'm connected to my culture like I got a twin. Identical to a turntable with a different spin. Time don't change people, people change people. They say it's so balanced, but it really ain't equal. Everything the same, it's a lyrical imbalance. Never mistake making money with actual talent. Some of y'all do it for the streets, do it for the people. Check it, check it, check it. Do it for the culture. Damn. Don't buy into a vulture, cause I'll turn it to a sculpture. For real, do it for the culture. I no longer envision what a clouded vision. They suppress the truth with so much precision. Scriptures are the holy key, like God's ignition. Ignore the science, but that's your decision. Pyramid schemes, just like isosceles. What you gon' believe, cause the sauce will leave. All my haters, they racist, or they so confused, or they high as fuck, high pot and news, so obtuse. But really that's no excuse. Juice Leroy, I kick it back like my name is Bruce. A lot of tracks, they wanna try.
Raz mi zabrakło tak, ale to wiesz, dobrze zakręcić, tak?
my city like some shoulder pads and strap. Evidently I've been killing pats way before I rap. It's ironic cause them same straps that used to cause them claps. Go and think what I said, man, go rewind it back. I bring a heat on the classic beat like I'm Harold Miner. I spit that fire like Dawson from Street Fighter. Off the chain like Django Spawner, Ghost Rider. I'm flyer like Superman in the cloud, but only if you can imagine higher. I feel like God put me on this earth to inspire. I tell the truth in the booth, I never been a liar. That's probably why I got fired from this team called the Titans. My nickname is J. Kirk, please forget the damn hyphen. I'm real tired of these people whining like Mario Winans, rhyming about wine and dining, but they really lying. I'm feeling like Andre the Giant cause I'm so colossal. Ain't no rollie on my wrist, I just rock a fossil. Carry the torch, I'ma hold it down. I'm reppin' for the town, I'm doing it through my damn sound. I'm aiming for the top, headed for the ground. I carry my city through my sound. I gotta hold it down. Carry the torch, I'ma hold it down. I'm reppin' for the town, I'm doing it through my damn sound. I'm aiming for the top, headed for the ground. I carry my city through my sound. I gotta hold it down. When I link with ruler, why they can never stop me. New sounds on the way, and they could never copy. We'll chop the soul right in front of you like a damn hibachi. Who was never with the simpin' pimpin' or the damn Versace. We making soul music, recording off my Samsung. Killing beats, I'm touching these souls like I'm Shang Tsung. 3 different projects in a year, but now I'm finally done with my mixtapes. Drop, they gon' fuck up the game like M1. We started from the bottom where the ground was hella crummy. Hungry for success since my face was hella bumpy. My accent's different like my name is Crocodile Dundee. So many different ways we can make it or make some money. Fuck a New Year's resolution, make your own solution. Goals are meant to be broken, it's all about the execution. Leave the negativity behind with the retribution. Turn to deuces if they ain't talking about your evolution.